destroyer.
To break free, you need to breathe. Let me know if you still believe. Just raise your head if feeling me. I will be with you till you bleed.
Creeping strangers that roll over me, fallen angels that won't let you to see where they're feeding the wings, full of scars and disease. Let me finish this verse, is getting harder to breathe. All I wanted from you is just a bit of attention. I'm searching for a truth, getting just growing tension. I don't want this shit, but stop doing that. You mustn't be here playing that hypocrite. Open your eyes, is there a place I'm out to be? Who rather than these guys committing the murders? Freezing with a smile to you, greeting you every day. Now you're falling through, or rather fading away. Raise a feast, straight up in the air. You're not quite alone, and I know that you can. Come with us, lost stranger, I'll show you the way. We're in the same damn place, don't get your hopes up on praise.
To break free, you need to breathe. Let me know if you still believe. Just raise your head if feeling me. I will be with you till you bleed.
Long time ago you've been alone, never realized how far you've gone. You need a break just to stay awake. Be yourself despite the ache. Long time ago you've been alone, never realized how